Hello guys, welcome. In this section, we're going to talk about Claude Code CLI for software testers. The agendas are: what is Claude Code CLI? Why is Claude Code popular? ChatGPT versus Claude Code Web and Claude Code CLI. Benefits for software testers. And finally, real world QA use cases. And what is Claude Code CLI? It's a powered coding assistant that works directly inside your terminal, and it can be used for generating codes, fix bugs, creating test cases, and explain codes. Why should testers care? Automates repetitive work, generate code instantly, and finally improves productivity. Why is Cloud Code becoming popular? Is faster development, understand large code base, that means existing codes, and its terminal based workflow, and it can be used in our real project and improve your productivity. On comparison with ChatGPT, Cloud Web, and Cloud Code CLI, it's the apart from Cloud Code Web and ChatGPT, it's terminal based, the Cloud Code CLI. Others are browser based, and it understand the project understanding is very good for Cloud Code CLI, and it can be used for file modification and capabilities. This is the visual representation, the comparison among these, and you can see the browser based, the ChatGPT and Cloud Web are browser based, and the Cloud Code CLI is a terminal based. And understand the local project. The ChatGPT and Cloud Web are limited access, but the Cloud Code CLI having a very good access on that. And modify the file. The only Cloud Code CLI are able to modify your files. And generate code. The three of them are able to generate codes. And the best for ChatGPT we can use for learning, and Cloud Web for coding assistance, and the Cloud Code CLI for real project work. This is very important. The real project work we can use the Cloud Code CLI. The visual comparison we already seen. Okay, and the benefit for software testing. It can be used for test case generation, so and automation script generation, bug analysis, and CA/CD assistance. We can see the some use cases for this. The first use case is generate the test cases. Generate positive, negative, boundary, and security test cases by giving a good prompt. By giving, you have within the you have some description of the requirement, so you can prompt over the Cloud Code CLI, so it will generate the test cases. And second one, Selenium automation. Create Selenium C# project page object model scripts. It can be used for that. And Playwright framework. Generate Playwright JS framework with reporting. You can use this as well. And fourth one, Selenium to Playwright migration. You can see nowadays it's converting the Selenium, the legacy Selenium code into Playwright JavaScript. So we can use the assistance of Cloud Code CLI for that. So it will improve your productivity as well by using this, by doing it manually. And use case 5, API testing. So generating API testers, validations, and assertion, we can take the assistance of Cloud Code CLI. And Cucumber BDD. So the coming to the Cucumber, you can generate the feature files and step definition. We can use this assistance. And debug failed cases. So some case your test scripts are failed. So the Cloud Code assistance we can use for the assistance. So it will debug and fix these issues. And coming to the SQL and CI/CD, generate SQL validation queries and CI/CD pipelines. We can use for that. And the key takeaways, the AI assistance for testers, and it will boost our productivity and generate code, testers and frameworks. So how it's look like, I am giving a screenshot for that. Now this is look like this. So it is open in terminal, and you can prompt here over here. After getting started, you can prompt here what you need. For example, I have given one example here, that is generate comprehensive test case for login functionality, including positive, negative, and boundary and security scenarios. Just prompt here, so it will generate a very good test cases within a seconds. You can see here it generating test case. So you can export into the Excel, or if you having direct access to the Jira here, the Cloud Code having access to the Jira, okay, so then you can give the test, prepare the test case for the Jira number, so it will directly take up the details from your Jira and it will generate, and you can directly give a write permission to the Jira, so it will write the test cases they were generated into the your Jira after your approval, okay, and verification. So likely you can use this as a very good assistance. So you can improve your productivity by the lesser time to for manual tasks or automation tasks, okay. And next video we will learn about the installation of Cloud Code CLI and configuration and first command. Hope you enjoy this section. Thank you for watching, and bye.